We're live.
Hey, this is the Will of Dust Brothers, and I'm here with my brother.
Will, how's it going, guys?
And we're going to continue playing 1080 Avalanche.
Yeah. So, I think we're going to be doing some...
What we're going to do here is go to multiplayer.
We're going to race against each other. Of course, it's kind of given...
And just remember, I'm on the top.
And I'm on the bottom.
That came out wrong. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, I stick with Rob because I like him. He's amazing.
I've actually found this girl, I don't know, absolutely know how to say her name, but she has really good turning, you know, is able to handle obstacles pretty well.
Oh no, not stick with Rob. My bad. It was the last time I picked someone else. I think, I can't remember how it was.
Yeah. Oh, last time, no, I think last time you picked her and I picked Ricky.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I think. But, anywho, let's jump on into the race here, and we're gonna go over to Treetop Trauma.
Angel Light.
We're going,
Treetop Trauma.
It's a pretty long one, but it's a fun, you know, stretched out course. Gives you kind of a chance if you're, you know, like we're both pretty evenly matched, so it gives us a chance to kind of go back and forth. Oh, I forgot to turn the music off.
No, I turned it off. Oh no, I didn't. Hold on, you guys. We don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah, sorry. We're gonna just change that really quickly because we don't want to get a copyright strike for music, that type of thing. So we're gonna just redo that.
Let's just do that. That'll be easier. My bad, you guys.
Angel Light.
Okay, here we go.
Treetop Trauma.
So, now we got all that confusion out of the way.
Music off. See, you gotta press to the left when you first start.
Now we can get to the real racing.
Now you know. You know who's after that, G.I. Joe.
And I don't mean real racing like the Olympics, even though I've been watching and there's some really intense moments, but some really fun moments as well. So, oh, pass. Oh, look, Moses. Whoa. Okay, it's bad balance in my knee to start thinking.
Oh, I always get stuck on that. I hate getting stuck on that thing. I don't know what it is.
Oh my goodness, that was a long ride. But, watch out for those scrolls and stumps everywhere. I got some catching up to do. That doesn't sound like a real good sound.
Yeah, I'm curious. Who you guys voting for when you watch these? You guys want me to win, or do you want my brother to win? It doesn't matter because, you know,
Both have fun.
each one wins eventually sometimes. Oh my god. I am so stuck. Oh, I finally got out of balance. Woo! Go down.
Alright, we're flying. I would never ride on ice in real life, or at least I would try not to. But, like I said in the previous video, I am not a good snowboarder in real life.
And I've never snowboarded, so there's that question. Yeah. Oh my god.
He made it! Well, that was
that was that.
And I think that's going to do it for us. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this race, as it was not really either of our best, but, you know, still a good race.
Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, and if you guys really like it, if you guys really like it, just tell people about us. And, but other than that, hopefully you guys keep coming back, and we'll see you next time. Bye.